Catholic Charities Milwaukee has been serving refugees and immigrants in southeastern Wisconsin since 1984. Every year, we help hundreds of people gain citizenship, get their green cards, integrate with their community, and more. Unfortunately, we don't have the resources to take every case or answer every question that comes our way. To meet the growing need for accurate information about immigration, we built a website. It is organized by topics that would interest refugees, other immigrants, detained immigrants, and those who want to help them. We also have included a guide to help you hire the right immigration attorney. The goal of the website is not to encourage you to fill out any applications yourself. However, our hope is that this website will help you better understand your options, clear up any confusion, and put you more at ease about the immigration process. Each month, we will add more videos, write more articles, and review what information may need to be updated. After all, immigration law is always changing, and it is important that we all stay informed.